Hadley Scott is nou al vir 10 jaar 'n barbier by Noordien Salon in Pinelands. Hy sê dit is sy liefde vir mense wat hom na die bedryf gelok het.
I get customers from all over Cape Town. I have some international customers also that when they do visit Cape Town, they only come to me. Working with people on a daily basis it's nice. I am an extrovert, or people always call me extrovert. Once I start talking, I don't stop.
Hy sê sy vriende en familie is trots op sy eerste plek in die Barberscraft SA kompetisie, maar dis veral sy dogter se reaksie wat hom breë bors laat rondloop.
Since being crowned Barber of the Year, yeah, it's something else. My daughter the other day didn't call me daddy. She just said, "Hi, Barber of the Year." Because when she goes to school, everybody is telling her, "Hey, your dad is the best barber."
Scott spog met talle toekennings vir sy werk in die salon. Hy moedig jong mense aan om selfs al sukkel hulle om hondhaar af te maak, steeds hulle drome na te jag.
Go after your dream and try to reach the sky. The sky's the limit, but try to reach it. Get yourself qualified in a trade or a faculty. Do something, make a change, break the circle.
Scott sien uit om volgende jaar deel te neem aan 'n internasionale barbierkompetisie. Hy beplan ook om jong mense op te lei in die bedryf. Craigley Smith vir Nuusdag in Pinelands.